guys, welcome back. Tom has returned to let you guys know about our big Thanksgiving week promotion that we have going on that's going to help you so much. If you've been following the channel a while and you've been thinking about how to become a travel agent, how do I do this? You've been maybe feeling a little nervous or a little anxious about it. We're going to make it so easy for you guys if you take advantage of our amazing Thanksgiving Black Friday deal that we are releasing. I'm going to go through all the deets today. So I'm going to ask Tom to go over here and sit for a minute so we can chat. First off, let me share with you exactly what this deal is. So the first thing I want to talk about are these two kits. These are two kits that have been helping people learn how to become travel agents in the industry for years. But we're going to do 70% off for you guys, and we even have a payment plan available to make it really, really easy for you to get started. Now, I want to talk about the differences in these two programs. You can really decide which one is best for you. The Travel Agency Launch Kit, this one right here, is going to walk you through how to set up your agency, how to launch your business, how to select top niches that are going to sell, how to create a custom training plan for yourself based on your unique business. It's going to walk you through how to brand your agency like an expert, how to land your first clients, and how to develop an abundance mindset, and also how to manage accuracy, verification, and insurance like a pro. This kit is designed to get you up and started in 30 days or less. The Travel Professional Training Kit is going to teach you how to work successfully in a hosting environment. That's going to include everything that you need to know to work successfully under that model. It's going to also include how to book cruises, how to book airfare, how to book Disney, how to book vacation packages. We're also going to go into best practices for sales and top-notch customer service, how to market yourself, which is so important, how to flourish in that hosting environment, and then how to create the life that is really going to allow you to live this travel dream and do all the fun things. So think about which kit might be best for you. If you're thinking about having your own independent agency eventually and doing your own thing and having your own brand, the launch kit sometimes is a better pick for you. But if you want a little more detailed training that's going to include all of that marketing, all of those best practices, all those core functions, then the Travel Professional Training Kit is the perfect one for you. Now, in addition to giving you guys 70% off, which is ridiculous, like that's a no-brainer. You should buy it just for that reason during this limited time, which, by the way, we don't do discounts on these kits. I have not done this in over a year, and this will be the absolute lowest price that you will see for a minimum of a year. So you will not be able to get this again. We might run it again next Thanksgiving. We might not. But if this has been on your heart for a while, make sure that you lean in. But let me tell you guys about the bonuses that we're doing. So the first, and I think, Tom actually helped me come up with this bonus. At first I was like, yep, Tom was taking full credit for this one. At first when Tom told me that, yes, I know, Tom. Yes, it was your idea. I understand. I know. And at first I said I couldn't do it. And Tom made a joke. He's like, of course you can do it. You're the CEO. So we actually recently did, Tom, I'm going to ask you to sit over here just a sec. We actually recently did a 2022 sales summit. This was a ticketed event that was hundreds of dollars, and it is 4 hours of me and some of my favorite trainers that work inside my programs on coaching and training travel agents. And I invited them, and we created this sales summit, and we had hundreds and hundreds of travel agents attend. So you could not get a ticket to this because it was sold out, right? We created a replay so you can watch this event, this virtual event on a replay. It's more than 4 hours of amazing content that talks you through best sales techniques that are relevant going into 2023, your mindset. I help you map your goals. And we're also going to talk about how to build some tips on building your first marketing plan. So the fact that you get this as a bonus we've never ever done this before, and I will not do it again. So that's going to be a really, really cool one. Now, the other bonuses that you get with the kits, you get lifetime access to the membership sites that they are on. So the content never goes away. You get lifetime access to that. On the launch kit, you are going to get agency launch templates. You're also going to get a client management roadmap. You're also going to get how to work in the travel industry ebook, which is an entire 200-page book on the fundamentals that you need to know about the industry. And then I also threw in the secret strategies of $1 million agencies. You guys know that's what we do at Careers on Vacation. We teach people how to scale and grow their businesses. I know you might just be starting out, but I want you to think about getting to the big leagues from day one, because then you're going to make better decisions. So I included that one as well. And then we're also going to give you a personal call after you purchase the kit. It's going to take us about a week or two to get to all the calls, but we're going to actually place a call to you to make sure that you're on track and see if you have any questions and make sure that you get off to a good start. Now, same thing with Travel Professional Training Kit. I mentioned the MEM site. You also get a personal call over there, and you're also going to get 10 on-demand training modules in that one. So a very robust training online. And in the Travel Professional Training Kit, I keep pointing to the wrong one. That's this one. You're going to get the opportunity to go to 4 live sessions with my coaches. So as you're doing your setup, as you're learning so many of these important things, you're going to get the chance to go to 4 live sessions. And I'm going to give you 60 days in our online community where you can ask questions. You can get in there and interact with other people that are going through the process of becoming travel agents. So that is a huge value add as well. We also have templates, tools, bonus resources that are packed full on the bonuses on this one as well. And we even have resources for job placement. If you want to figure out how do I get matched with amazing hosts, you're going to get my secret list of hosts that have been vetted, how to match yourself, and how to start that interview process. And then you're going to get forever access as well. And of course, I mentioned we're going to call. So let's go through the prices on these so you guys know. So Travel Agency Launch Kit first usually retails around $2,000. You can grab it for only $499. You can even split it into 2 payments. Now, if you split it into payments, it's slightly higher. You'll be doing 2 payments of $299. So pick which is best for you and kind of go from there. Travel Professional Training Kit, which is the more robust of the 2 programs, normally retails for just over $3,300. So you can get this one for only $997, which is crazy low for how much training you get in that kit. And that one, same deal. If you split it into payments, just a tad bit higher, but you can split it into 2 payments of $525 if you want to split it into either 2. Now, let's talk discount codes. If you're buying this one, it's going to be discount code GOBBLE1. If you're getting the Travel Professional Training Kit, it's GOBBLE2. It's as easy as that, guys. So GOBBLE1 or GOBBLE2, and I'll put all of that information down below as well. So I want to encourage you guys, think about which kit is going to be best for you. I'm going to be sending you some emails that also goes through the differences in these kits. If you're on our email list, I will. If not, you can check the links below, read through both of them, and see which one is the best fit. Feel free to ask questions on this video or on any of our social media places so we can match you with the right one. And guys, listen, I wish you so much love, so much abundance. Definitely take advantage of this. There will never be a lower price or a bonus bundle that is so packed full. But this was just my way and Turkey Tom's way and our whole team over at Cruise on Vacation. We've had an amazing year. You guys have been supporting us so much. We wanted to give back and we wanted to make it crazy easy for you to make the decision like this is your year. We have so many of our clients that are getting to the $1 million club, multi-million-dollar club. We even have agencies hitting $9 and $10 million that started way back with us a few years ago, right? So I want to tell you that there are so much potential in the travel industry, but you want to really do it in a way that is thoughtful and mindful and that you're going to see results. And we know that our programs deliver results. So please grab one of these kits, start your journey. And I want to tell you, I'm so grateful for you. And I wish you a great holiday season. Click those links below. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. Hey guys, Cyndi Williams here. If you like that last video, make sure you check out all of the other content on our channel. And if you want to follow along and travel with me around the world and see how I run my amazing travel brands and get some great tips on how to grow your own, make sure you check out that other content. I'm going to drop a couple videos here. Click those links. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.